Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about Bool data type. So in order to initialize a Bool data type, we need to give it like this. So here we are giving a equal to true and b equal to false. In Bool, true and false are the only two values available. So let's see. And if you wanted to check the type of these variables, you can use this type function. So it is giving us Bool, and similarly let's see type of b, and it is also giving us Bool. So like any data type can be changed to bool using this bool function. So let's see if you wanted to change some string. So it will be giving us true because of only for empty strings it will be giving us false. In remaining all other cases it will be giving us true. So here if we see we are not passing anything in these double quotes, that means it is an empty string. So for this it will be giving us false. So in case of every data type, either when it is empty or it is zero, it will be giving us false. So let's see in case of each data type. So here if you see all are giving false values only, and if you observe we are giving, in case of integer we are passing 0. So instead of 0, if you are passing any negative value or positive value, it will be giving us true. Okay, only in case of 0 only we will be getting false. Similarly in case of float we should be passing 0 0.0. If you pass any other thing it will be giving us 0. Similarly complex also you have to pass 0 0, then only it will be giving us false. And in case of list you have to pass empty list, and in case of tuple you have to pass empty tuple, and empty tick, empty set, empty frozen set. In case of none data type we have to pass none, it will be giving us false. And similarly in case of range you should be passing 0 for the range function. And similarly bytes array, memory view, basically memory view will be working on either bytes or bytes array, that's why I'm passing this bytes directly to this. So here in within bytes there is nothing, that's why it will be giving us false. Okay, so these are all the false cases, and if you pass any other thing it will be true. Okay, and also there are so many comparison operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to, is and is not. Oh, you might not be knowing is and is not. We'll be discussing them in some time. So if you see 1 greater than 0, it's true. So this will be returning as true, that is a boolean type. And similarly this will be returning as false, and that is also a boolean type. Like this, all these comparison operators will be returning either true or false. Okay, and 1 not equal to 0, it is true, so it will be returning as true. So is operator, I hope you guys don't know about this, so let me discuss about this. In Python, if you wanted to check the address of the variable, then you should use id. Okay, so this id of a will be telling us address of the variable a. Similarly id of b will be telling us the address of variable b. So if these ids are matching, then this each will give us true. So here what we are doing, we are telling a is b, that means that it will check the ids of a and b, and if those two are matching then it will return us true, if not it will return us false. And in Python if we are directly assigning it, then they will be having same IDs. Okay, so this will be true and this will be false. So let's check it. Yeah, if you observe over here, both A and B IDs are same, and this is returning us true, and similarly this is returning us false. So instead of direct assignment, if you use copy, then our IDs will change. So if you observe over here it is 232, whereas here it is 488. So this is false and this is true in our case. Similarly, there is an operation called not. So if not of true will be false and not of false will be true. And instead of true, you can pass any comparison operation over here. So that comparison operation will might be giving us true, and on that we can apply this not and we can obtain false. Like that, instead of true you can use any function or any operation or any expression you can use that returns us either true or false. Okay, similarly here I am to show you how R is behaving, I'm using this true and false. So instead of this true or false, you can use any functions or any expressions that will return as true. Okay, so I hope you guys know about R. Yeah, like if any one of these are true, that means that R will give us true, and if both are false, then only R will give us false. So let's see. So if you observe over here, true and true, it's true. True and false, it's true. And false and true, it is true. And for false and false, it is false. Similarly, how AND behaves, I hope you guys know it. And if any one of the values is false, then it will be returning as false. And if both are true, then only it will be giving us true. So if we see over here, for this it will be giving us true, and remaining cases either one of those is false. That's why it is giving us false. And there is an operator in, we have already discussed about it. So this operator will also be giving us either true or false values. Here if you see 1 in one list of 1 to 3, it is there, that's why it will be giving us true. And similarly p in Cynic if you observe p is not there, that's why it will be giving us false. Okay, and in Python there are so many functions and uh, like operators that will be giving us true or false. In all those cases you can use these and, or, in, not, all these things. Okay, I hope you guys understood everything and enjoyed the video. Thank you.